Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix cellular data not working on iPhone. The first thing that I would recommend you do is go into settings on your iPhone and you want to toggle on and off airplane mode. After you have done that, you want to ensure that mobile data is turned on. Once mobile data is turned on, you will check again if it's working. The next thing that I would recommend you do is right where you see network selections. You're going to tap right there and you want to ensure that it is on automatic. After you have done that, you will tap on mobile data network. And from here, you want to ensure that the data network that you're using, the setout is right here. If it isn't, what I recommend you do is call the company, the carrier that you're using, so that they may give you the information to fill it out. After you have done all of that, you want to check if the particular app that you're using has access to your mobile data. As you can see right here, from this section in mobile data, you can control the apps that are using mobile data. So if, for example, Instagram was toggled off, that means even though I have mobile data on my iPhone, I still will not be able to access Instagram or refresh my Instagram feed because it won't have access to cellular data. So you want to ensure that the app that you're using to test if mobile data is working is actually toggled on. If you have done all of this and it is still not showing, what I would recommend you do is remove your SIM card and then reinsert your SIM card again. And if after doing that it is still not working, you will come again into settings. Then you are going to scroll down and select general. After selecting general, you are going to scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And from here you are going to tap on reset. Then you will tap on reset network settings. And after resetting your network settings, that should solve the problem. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.